Buckle up for a palate-popping journey into Costco's wonderland. Get exclusive access to our mind-blowing shopping haul and an extraordinary salmon sandwich recipe. Feast your eyes on the hidden gems we've discovered as we whip up a culinary masterpiece that will leave you craving more. Unleash your inner foodie and prepare for a taste revolution like no other. Stay tuned, because this is Costco Unleashed, so expect the unexpected.
I don't know what we're about to do.
Let's finish this upstairs. So, what do you think I'm making today with all these products? I will surprise you as always. So, follow us for the next meal we're gonna have from these Costco products. Let's go. All right. This is our Costco shopping haul reveal. Let's start with the baggies. We got pesto, we got amazing salmon, we got some tomatoes, onions, asparagus, we got some chips, we got some bread, some potatoes, pistachios, corn, we got some butter, we got some walnuts, we got this amazing hummus, we got some mushrooms, we got rambutan, a little bit of corn because I haven't had some in a very long time. We got some chocolate chip cookies. We got some oil from the coconuts, and then we got Himalayan pink sea salt, and we got some frozen berries. Also, we got some toilet paper and paper towel, not to mention we got some kitty litter as well. So, check it out, guys. This is what 5,000 peso can get you in Mexico. Now, let's start with asparagus, some nopal, cactus, finely chopped. Mix and mix with some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and some garlic. Let's go. Ginger, hello. You are welcome to the party. And onion. Let's not forget that onion. A little bit of Himalayan sea salt, if you know what I mean. And some butter. Some real good jalapeno, if you know what I mean. Put some of that jalapeno on the salmon with some butter and a little bit of sea salt. Look at that in the stove, ready and cooking. Time for the sunset. Don't forget that sunset. Voila! Our veggies and salmon are both baked and ready for the sandwiches, so let's get them started. Little bit of hummus. Don't hurt nobody. Little bit of veggies. Those baked veggies steaming out of the oven with that nice salmon. Can't forget that lime, if you know what I mean. It's my favorite. We got some pesto. Let's go. A little bit of green. Slap that right on, and you got yourself a masterpiece. Let's enjoy this together. Hey guys, we're gonna do a little taste test after a whole bunch of videos of this little bad boy near the pool. So let me try to get it with one hand. Hold on.
Alright.
Look at that, guys. Look at that sandwich. Oh my god, it's dripping. Let me do a big bite.
Here, I'll take a bite. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah?
That was amazing.
That hummus the pesto, the veggies, the salmon, the spice, the lime.
Guys, you already know what we're about to do.
Let's finish this upstairs. Mm-hmm.